Hi, welcome to your active Feldenkrais lesson. Begin by being in seated. You can have your legs out to the side if it's comfortable, and just feel your posture. Feel how you sit and notice your sits bones, and those are those knobby things underneath of you, the ischium. How supported are you by the floor? If you don't feel comfortable here, try something easier first, one of my other videos, and come back. We want to be really comfortable in this posture here. We're going to be moving a lot. So first we're going to take our opposite arm to opposite leg and just start to reach straight out in front, reaching toward that leg, toward that foot, but it's still staying in line with the shoulder. Take it to the middle. Reach forward and back, staying in the height of the shoulder. Take it to the other leg. Staying at the height of the shoulder. Switching arms, opposite leg, height of the shoulder. Forward. Feel how your pelvis is rolling. That's what we want. Other side. Height of the shoulder. Now let's make it a little trickier. We're going to go hand to opposite leg. At the same time, I want you to lift the same side of your pelvis as your arm. So you're going to lift as you reach, lift as you reach, lift as you reach. It doesn't have to be high, just notice. Can you lift that side as you go forward? It's not a straight line. Notice how it's turning your chest to the left, or to the other side, I should say. And then to the other side, can you lift it while going to the other side? Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, the reaching and the lifting is interesting. They're kind of blocking each other, but notice if you can get any movement there. Support puppy. And let's do the other side of the pelvis with the same arm. So let's start on the same leg we were just on, same side. Now try the other side, lifting. Forward. And to the side. And yeah, this is the hard one. How do you lift your pelvis and still reach? It's a very small movement. Let's try the other arm. So we're going to reach across. Let's start with the same side pelvis, lifting that to reach. This should be the easier one. And there's nothing that says you can't bend your knees or turn your feet any way they need to go. It's not just like yoga. You can have little things that help. You just want to stay in line with the arm. I forgot to lift my pelvis. So we're lifting that same side pelvis as the arm. And then we're bringing it over here. And that is the one where it gets tricky. How do you reach? And how do you lift the pelvis at the same time? Maybe there's like a way to do it. You see. Now let's switch to the other side of the pelvis. So we're going to lift that side. Now it should be easier, right? That side of the pelvis helps us a lot. Go forward, lifting the same side of the pelvis, just taking your time. And to the side, same side. And just sit for a moment, pause and rest. And now hands to hips. We're going to go into cat and cow. Round your back. And then arch your back. And breathe. Exhale as you round. Inhale as you arch. What are your elbows doing? They're likely going forward when you round and back when you lift. So let's try the opposite. Stay arched, bring the elbows forward, and now start to round and bring the elbows back. Take some time with this if you need to. Elbows come forward as we arch. They go back as we round. Forward with the arch. Back with the round. Let's go back to the original. Bring them back up front with the rounding. Now bring them back to arch and forward to round, and see if this is any easier